Hey guys, today I'm going to make some teriyaki chicken breasts. It'll just be 2 ingredients, so let's get cracking. I usually use chicken thighs for this, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, but I thought I'd try some breasts today and see how that is. I'm not really a big fan of chicken breasts, but we'll see how it goes. So it's just going to be that, and then the Mr. Yoshida's teriyaki sauce. This bottle's almost gone, so I have another one there. You guys like my Tin Man wine guy? I don't drink wine, but I saw that at the store and I thought it was cool. He even has a little grill. So I'm going to cut these breasts up into pieces so they'll soak up the marinade better. Chicken's all cut up into little cubes, so let's get it into the pot here. I haven't used this red Crock-Pot since my Clorox chicken video. So anyway, dump that in there. That's not going to be enough, so we use the other bottle here of this Mr. Yoshida's, kind of a sweet teriyaki sauce. So I'm just going to kind of eyeball this, just add enough to kind of cover the chicken, kind of get it all mixed up here. Alright, we're looking good. I turned the pot to low, and we'll be back later on. It's been 4.5 hours and I just checked the chicken. It's done, so I turned it to warm. I have some rice in my Instant Pot there. I'm waiting for the pressure to release. And I wanted to show you this. This is called Romanesco broccoli or cauliflower. I've heard it called both, but I'd never seen this before. I found it down at Andy's Produce in front of my house. So I just wanted to show you that before I cut it up. I'm gonna cut that up and put it in the steamer. It tastes pretty much like cauliflower. I bought some the other day. While that Romanesco is steaming, I'll show you how my chicken looks. Looks nice and tender. So as soon as that is done, I'll grab a plate and we'll try this out. I just heard the pressure pin drop. Let's see how my rice looks here. Pretty good to me. Alright, let's give this chicken a taste test here and see how it is. It's chicken breast, so it's a little dry if you ask me. I still prefer chicken thighs, but it's a good recipe. The flavor is good and all that, so if you like chicken breast, I think you'd like that one. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.